What if I was to call you a big germ? Because I wouldn't be completely wrong. We have more bacteria cells in and on our body than we do human cells. There's so many bacteria in our gut that it's the most densely populated environment on the planet. And these densely populated bacterial communities aren't new things. It's a lifestyle choice because it allows them to do something that our cells can't: share DNA. This is a plasmid. It's a circular piece of DNA that has genes, instructions telling the bacteria to behave in a certain way or make certain things. This gene would make bacteria pink and fluffy. The balding Welshman gene, well, as you can probably see, I carry that one. And then there's some slightly more serious genes, like those that make bacteria resistant to antibiotics. And plasmids are important because it's in this form that bacteria can share DNA. Now, how do they do this? They firstly make a copy of that plasmid, and then they pass it down a tube called the pilus, injecting it into a neighboring cell. It's basically bacterial sex. I don't want to use the term bacterial orgy, but it's like a bacterial orgy because they're horny little buggers, bacteria. They do this all the time. Now, recruiting a bacteria in this way also means the bacteria inherits the information that's on those plasmids. So, for instance, antibiotic resistance can spread very quickly through bacterial communities. And obviously, this is a good thing for the bacteria. This is a major advantage when the bacteria are challenged or attacked by antibiotics, like when we try and treat infections, for instance. But if plasmids are so great, why don't all bacteria carry them? It's because plasmids are big, hefty things. They consume a lot of energy. They make the cell slow, sluggish, less fit. It's like carrying around a really big rucksack all day. So it's again a choice. You know, carrying around a big rucksack is great if I'm off for a weekend camping, but it's not great when I'm presenting at FameLab. So, do the bacteria keep this heavy burden to maintain their resistance, even though this is only beneficial in certain situations? Or do they ditch the plasmid and choose to live a more fit, energetic lifestyle, albeit without the resistance? And it's these decisions that we as researchers are trying to understand in the context of how antibiotic resistance spreads. Because sadly for us, more and more bacteria are choosing the rucksack. Thank you.